it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try.
Guys, I'm going to give you a little review, first impression or thoughts about the 4 items on the Pure Kit 1 that I received from Pop Beauty PH. So let's start with the Pop Beauty Filter Effect Base Foundation, and I got the shade number 2 or Creme. I'm going to read the description on the Glamourboxph website. So it says, here's to an instant flawless filter to your face. The Filter Base Foundation is a skin-loving, easily blendable foundation that's oil-free, layers easily, and has a skin smoothing effect. Has a blur effect that minimizes the appearance of pores for a natural satin look. Ooh, okay. So this net weight is 25 ml or 0.84 fluid ounces. It has 4 shades available at Glamourboxph PH. The shades are Cream, Amber, Owlite, I don't know how to pronounce, and Sophie. Actually, this shade is too light for my skin, but it was my mistake. I was aiming for the shade Amber, but it wasn't available at the time, so I should have picked the 4th shade, which is Owlite. I'm not sure how to pronounce it though. Next product is this Makeup Magnet Mist Setting Spray. It says makeup should last the whole day, and this setting spray fixes makeup like a magnet to your skin for flawless, hydrated, and nourished skin. Net weight is 80 ml or 2.70 fluid ounces. It retails for 895 pesos. I heard from some people that says it's due for MAC Fix Plus. I'm not sure because I haven't tried it yet, so I can compare the two. But I will try to use this also to my clients, so we'll. Next product is Camouflage 101. It's a correct and conceal palette. So I'm going to open it to show you guys what's inside. Top, you'll see a chart or a drawing to show you where you put the concealer and the corrector properly. So this is perfect for beginners. The first is light skin tone with yellow corrector, and in the middle is medium skin tone with peach corrector, and last is a deep skin tone with apricot corrector. So this is basically my shade and my corrector. Honestly, I love this product, especially if you're a makeup artist looking for the perfect corrector for your clients. This is the one. Especially me, I've been using red lipstick on my under eyes for 2 years now, and I can't find the perfect corrector. I did try the orange corrector from LA Girl, but it looks weird on me whenever I put on foundation. Also, this retails for 850 pesos, which is pwede na, diba? Last product is this matte velvet lipstick, and I'm in the shade Novel Nude. Net weight is 3.5 grams or 0.12 ounce. Innovative lipstick texture coat lips in bold color with just one swipe. Color true and pigment rich. This Stay Put lipstick is enriched with vitamin E to protect and nourish. It has 5 shades: Novel Nude, Satin Rose, Bewitching Beat, Blackberry Burst, and Sienna Spice. Retails for 450 pesos. The only problem that I have with this, whenever I do this, the product on my upper lip transfers to my lower lip. I did put a lip balm before applying this since I have a dry lips, but I don't know why, but if you guys love the products that I mentioned from Pop Beauty, don't forget to use my code POPCAT to get 50% off upon your purchase at Glamourboxph. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial plus a quick review of the PR kit one that I got from Pop Beauty and Glamourbox. If you like this video, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! And their lipstick. And today and now, why is it so hard? I've talked to mirror a lot, but in the camera it's so difficult.